Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we're discussing about AP. Okay, now we'll continue with the AP concept, the same concept. And till last class, in the last class, still we did 16, 17, 16 problems. Now we'll start with the 17th one. So, in a school, students taught of planting trees. Trees they can't plant, right? But they give a wrong statement. Okay, planting plants we can plant, but not the trees. So after that plants only become trees, right? Okay, planting, there's okay, trees that are given, so you can take trees only in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will be plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. For example, the section of class 1 will plant one okay, one tree that is okay. Actually, it's a plant. A section of class 2 will plant 2, and section of class 3 3, like that is keep on going till the 12th standard, that is PUC. So there are three sections of each classes. For example, the first standard they have three sections: A, B, C. Section A, section B, section C. 1A, 1B, 1C, like that. So till the 12th standard it will be like that. So therefore, how many plants they are going to plant now? We need to find. Okay, how to find this? So now uh, we see that each section of each class will plant 3 trees. That is therefore the total number of trees planted by class 1, class 2, class 3 is like this. So I'll give the summary. Wait. Okay, miss, here each section of the class will plant 3 into that particular class. Here for first standard, 3 plants they plant into 1, that is totally they plant 3. Second standard, 3 into 2, that is 6. And third standard, so third standard, how many they'll play, how many they will plant? So 3 into 3, which is equals to 9. So this forms an AP, that is 3, 6, 9 forms an AP. Then what about 12th standard? If you keep on moving like this, what about 12th standard? So 12th standard will plant how many plants? So 3 into 12. So what will going to get? 3 into 12. So 3 into 12, which is equals to 36. So here we have an AP, that is 3, 6, 9 up to 36. So here we have A is equals to 3, D is equals to 3, and AN is equals to 36. Okay, now we need to find how many plants they're going to plant. Okay, so now we know that SN is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here what is n? So n Sn. So what is n here? So here n is equals to 12. Why? Because total 12 class they have. So here S12, which is equals to 12 by 2 into 2 into a value is 3, plus 12 minus 1 into d. 12 minus 1 into d. D value is also 3. Okay, now simplify this further. S12 is equals to, so 2 ones are 2 6 are 6 into 3 2s are 6 plus 12 minus 1 11 into 3. S12 is equals to 6 into 6 plus 33. So S12 is equals to 6 into 6 plus 33 is nothing but 39. So therefore S12 is equals to 39 into 6. 39 into 6 is 234. Okay, these are the number of plants planted by from the class 1 to 12. So according to the classes. I hope all of you understood. Okay, we'll move to the next problem. Okay, here the next question. A spiral is made up of successive semicircle with the centers alternately at A and B, starting with a center A of radii 0.5 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, as shown in the figure. Okay, as shown in this figure here. What is the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? Okay, see here, this is the first circle. So from here to here, this is the first circle, and next this is the second circle, and then next this is the third circle, semicircle, and from next this is the fourth circle. Like this, it keep on moving till how many circles, how many semicircles they formed. So it is totally 13 semicircles they formed. Okay, so now they gave a hint here. So length of successive semicircle is taken as L1, L2, L3, L4. Okay, everything is fine. Will they give hint also? We can see according to that. But what is the length? How to measure the length of the circle? So it's very simple. So we know what is circumference of circle. Okay, so this is nothing but the perimeter or the length of the circle. So this complete this complete circle circumference is known as the length of a circle, isn't? So now, so what is the circumference of circle? So we know that circumference of circle which is equals to 2 pi r, isn't? Okay, circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Then what is the circumference of semicircle? What is the circumference of semicircle? So therefore circumference of semicircle is circumference of semicircle is equals to 1 by 2. Why? Because half into 2 pi r, semi in the sense half. So 2 and 2 get cancelled, which is equals to pi r. Okay, so now the length of a successive semicircle. So therefore the okay, so the length, okay, and also they gave that the radii the radii is 0.5 centimeter. So for this, the radius is, for the first semicircle the radius is 0.5 centimeter. For second semicircle the radius is 1 centimeter. From here to here, this is 1 centimeter. For the third it is 1.5. For the fourth it is 2 centimeter. So like this, every time the 0.5 is keep on increasing. Okay, so now the length of the first semicircle. So the length of the first spiral, which is equals to, that is, you can take it as L1, which is equals to, we know that semicircle is pi into r. R value is nothing but 0.5. Why? Because for the first it is 0.5. Then similarly for the length of a second spiral, so L2 we can take, which is equal to pi into 1. So you can write a centimeter. And similarly for the third L3, which is equals to pi into 1.5 centimeter. Pi into 1.5 centimeter. So like this it is keep on going. Okay. Now the sum of n terms of an AP. So therefore sum of, what is n term of an AP? So sum of n terms of an AP, which is equal to Sn, is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And also what is n? So n is nothing but, so how many spirals they have? They mentioned here somewhere else. Wait. Okay, so they not mentioned. Okay, they mentioned here 13 consecutive semicircles. So therefore here n is equals to 13. Okay, then what is a, what is d? Okay, we need to find that a and d also. So how to find a? So this L1 is nothing but a. So the point, that is now it is a AP 0.5 pi, then 1 pi, then 1.5 pi. These are nothing but APs. So therefore here A is equals to 0.5 pi and D is equals to A2 minus A1, that is A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1. So D is equals to A2 value is 1 pi minus 0.5 pi. So 1 minus 0.5. So D is equals to 0.5 pi. Okay. So then now you can substitute the values. So here yes 13, which is equals to 13 by 2 into 2 into A value is 0.5 pi plus n minus 1, 13 minus 1 into 0.5 pi. Okay, so now simplify this. If you simplify S13, which is equals to 13 divided by 2 is nothing but 6.5. Okay, 6.5 into 0.5 into 2 is 1. So you can write here it as 1 pi plus 12 into 0.5 pi. So what is 12 into 0.5 pi? So 12 into 0.5 is 6. So yes 13, which is equals to 6.5 into 1 pi plus 6 pi. So therefore which is equal to 6.5 into 7 pi. 6.5 into 7 pi. And what they gave here, they given that pi value is 22 by 7. Use pi value 22 by 7. In the question they mentioned, take pi is equal to 22 by 7. So when replacing pi value as 22 by 7, 6.5 into 7 into 22 by 7. So 7 and 7 get cancelled. So that is 6.5 into 22. 6.5 into 22 is, what is 6.5 into 22? 6.5 into 22 is 143. 143 centimeters. So this is the answer. I hope all of you understood. Okay, so I'll explain this once again, because this is one of the different type of problem. Okay, now they gave a circle. So first read the question completely and understand the question completely. A spiral is made up of a successive semicircle with the center alternately at A and B, starting with center A of radius 0.5 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeters. Radius they given is varying. So from here to here this is 0.5 centimeter, and next here this is, I'll change the color bit, you'll understand better. And here for this semicircle, it is what is it? It is 1 centimeter, and for this semicircle it is 1.5 centimeter, and for this semicircle it is 2 centimeter. Like this keep on moving till the 13 centimeters. So they need to find how much wire or how much the length of the spiral required to do this semicircles. Okay, so now, and also they give that pi value should be as 22 by 7. Okay, we know that circle, in the sense we need to find the circumference. Circumference is nothing but the length of the circle. Okay, what is the length of the circle? We can find using the circumference. Okay, so circumference in the sense, so here this is the outer boundary. So we know that circumference circle is 2 pi r. It is for a complete circle. For semicircle in the sense, we need to divide into two parts, that is half of the circle. So therefore semicircle is equals to 1 by 2 into 2 pi r. So here 2 and 2 get cancelled, the remainder is pi r. So the length of the first spiral is L1, which is equal to pi into 0.5 centimeter. And why? Because they only give the radius of this radius. So we know that this is the formula to find the area of semicircle, that is pi r. So we know what is r value for the length of first circle, that is r value is 0.5 radii. So here I replace here 0.5, and next is 1 centimeter for second, this one radius is 1 centimeter, so I wrote a pi into 1 centimeter, and third 1.5 centimeter. So like this keep on going. So we know that this forms an AP 0.5 pi, 1.5 pi, etc. So here a value is 0.5 pi, d value is a2 minus a1, that is pi minus 0.5 pi. So d is equals to 1 minus 0.5, that is 0.5 pi. So then sum of n terms of an AP Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S13 is equals to 13, n value is 13 by 2 into 2 into a value is 0.5 pi plus 13 minus 1, that is 12 into 0.5. Now simplify this. S13 is equal to 6.5 into 1 plus 6 pi. Then S13 is equals to 6.5 into 1 plus 6 is 7 pi. Then S13 is equals to 6.5 into 7. Here pi value is 22 by 7. So 7 get cancelled. So therefore 6.5 into 22. So 6.5 into 22 is 143. So this is the value, this is the answer. I assigned you this as a homework in the last class. I hope all of you did this. So just check it once and verify it once what you did is right or wrong. Okay. So a manufacturer of TV sets produces 600 sets in the third year and 700 sets in the seventh year. Assuming that the production increases uniformly at a fixed rate, every year. So find the production in the first year, production in the 10th year, and total production in the 7th year. Okay. So how to find now here? Okay, now here they told that the production is increasing uniformly. So first year, second year, third year, the production is increasing uniformly. If it is increasing uniformly, so we know that it is a AP. It forms an AP. Okay. So now what is the production of first year? In the sense we need to find what is A is. So what is A? We need to find what is A. Production in the 10th year, that is S10. Sorry, A10. And also we need to find, so what is the total production in the 7th year, that is S7 total production. Okay. So now how to find this? So we know that they give some hint. The production in the 600 sets in the third year, therefore it is A3 they gave, which is equal to 600, and also 700 sets in the 7th year, that is A7 is equals to 700. So therefore we can write here A plus 2D is equals to 600, and A7 A plus 6D, which is equals to 700. Okay. So here we can find any of one of the value, either A or D. I'll find A here. Okay. So A and A get cancelled. So here 4. What is that? 2D minus 6D is minus 4D, which is equals to minus 100. Minus minus get cancelled. So D is equals to 100 divided by 4. So therefore D is equals to 25. D is equals to 25. Okay. We got D is equal to 25, and you can substitute the value of D in any of the equation, either in 1 or 2. So you'll get the difference D. Sorry, we'll get the A. So that is A is equals A plus 2D is equal to 600. I'll substituting here only. So here A plus 2 into 25, which is equal to 600. So here A, which is equal to 600, minus 25 into 2 is 50. So here A is equals to 550. Our A value is 550. Actually we need to find A value, right? So we found here A value, that is A1 is 550, and also we need to find A10. So how to find A10? A10 is easy. Why? Because so we know A10, which is equals to A plus 9D. So what is A value? A value is 550 plus D value is 25. Simplify this, you will get A10. So that is what is that? 550 plus 9 into 25. So 550 plus 9 into 25. If you do that, so you'll get here 775. So A10, which is equals to 775. Okay. And also we need to find what is S7. S7 in the sense, so we know what is N, so it find S7. So we know that Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So therefore S7 is equals to 7 by 2 into 2 into a. A value is just now we found, that is 550, isn't 550 plus n minus 1, that is 7 minus 1 into d. D value is 25, I think, right? Yes, d value is 25 we got. So substitute here 25. Now simplify this. So S7, which is equals to 7 by 2 into 550 into 2. So 550 into 2, that is 1100 plus here 6 into 25. 6 into 25. 6 into 25 is 150. Now you can add this 1100. So it is S7, which is equals to 7 by 2 into 1250. So just divide by 2. So what you'll get, S7 which is equals to 7, here ones are here, it is 625 into 625 into 7. So therefore S7 which is equal to 4375. So totally they produced it in 7 years 4375 televisions. I hope all of you understood. Okay, copy all these notes in the classwork. Okay, so we'll assign you the homework tomorrow in the next class. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.